Okay. Let me just take this. See, the price is already appearing here. It's the same price, but we'll see. And then maybe just. But I already selected some stuff. I just wanted to show you something. Okay, we created our list. I included this row here, the best picked. It means it automatically chooses the lowest prices, like here, right? But you can choose something else. You understand? You can choose Pick and Pay. You can choose. You see, also the images are changing there. The names are changing. You understand? This is to fix this problem here, right? It gives the user more control over what they want. You understand? For instance, look at this. It's 110. Yeah, it's cheaper than all of these right here. All of these. But the problem is, this is not White Star. You understand? Obviously I can't do anything. It's the algorithm. I'm still working on the algorithm to properly classify. But for now, since we have to deal with this, then it's like, okay, there's no White Star here in ShopRite. You see there, you understand, the names are there. Then you're like, okay, between these two, which one has the cheapest? You visually can see. This is White Star. It's just right now I'm just using the images of ShopRite because I made some error on my data, so I'm currently, for now, I'm just using the what's this, the images from ShopRite. So you can see this is cheaper, you understand, than this. So you're gonna come here, you're gonna say Woolworths, right? And while I'm doing that, Woolworths, let's go back to ShopRite and look at this here, this price. What's going on? It's changing. It's changing. It's updating you. I'm just gonna leave it here now, and yeah, let me just do it like this and then scroll inside. Then the same thing here. And then if there's two of these, you see these are the same thing. Yeah, this could not fetch the image properly. So these are the same thing. Then maybe if you like, oh, okay, I'm gonna prefer to just shop at Checkers. I don't wanna go to ShopRite, and then you're gonna choose that. But it will automatically choose the least one just randomly. It will be up to you. And then also another thing here is this. Look at this. This is different from 1, 2, 3. This is Melrose. These are Parmalat. But based on the name, it assumed this was also Parmalat. You see here, even saying Cheddar Melrose is supposed to be Melrose, but yeah. So what did it do? And then you're like, okay, I want it because there's too much Parmalat here based on. This is also Melrose. I forgot that I'm using the image from ShopRite. That's why I'm like, why is it saying Parmalat but here's Melrose? Okay, we're gonna say, okay, I did not want Melrose. I didn't want Parmalat because the name said Melrose, so I wanted Melrose. So you can choose. It will obviously this one automatically chose for you, and then you move forward. The same as this, the top and the Rama. Maybe you just say, I don't want that one. I want this top. I wanted the top because here it's written top. You understand? Then you come and choose Checkers top. That's what you wanted, and then obviously it's one item here. So it's gonna do this. You can't do this to change, and the same goes on and on and on. What I'm trying to say, the user can manually just go. Some of the products like these are all the same thing. They're the same thing. It's just a few minor where you just have to check what's going on. Also this here, this is what, sweet chili. The rest are like hot chili, hot chili, hot chili. You know, you can change as well. And then what I wanted to show you, where is it? It's there at the top. Yeah, this one here, this white star. And then let me scroll here. You see, this is another list where the user will be able to use it. And this is also dynamically operating. It's dynamically operating. And then here you will get your total prices here. The best picked that you individually manually picked, or you wanted to allow auto to work. But what I wanted to show you from this one is, look at this. White Star Super Maize Meal 10 kg. This White Star Super Maize Meal, it's Woolworths. It's taking this one. You see the price here, and this, just look at them, including this here, and see what happens when I want to put the price back in there. That 130, this price here. I'm just gonna put it there, and then you're gonna click that. Let's choose ShopRite and see, and look at this now, and look at this and this. ShopRite. Did you see? Automatically changing. These are automatically changing. So you can best be assured that this is reliable and it's gonna do what you are intending to do. Then when you walk at the supermarket, you can just walk with this, and then you know, like in ShopRite, this is your list for ShopRite, this is your list for Woolworths, this is your list for Checkers, this is your list for Pick and Pay. You know, and then you're like, okay man, like I can't just go to Pick and Pay for 2 items. Let me, what is it, cool for being, yeah, I think it's the only one. Maybe if there were like 2 stores that had that, or you can also discard it if you want, you know. But yeah, you can just do Groza over here, and then come to Woolworths. You do it from ShopRite and Woolworths and Checkers, then Pick and Pay. If you are willing to do that to save money, you are gonna save some money if you do this. You might be running at close to 3,000 if you just went to one store, or you just, I don't know, yeah, maybe if you went to one of your favorite stores, it could be like 3,000 or closer to 3,000 instead of saving. This thing is just to save you money, and also to allow you to comfortably change what you want, or you might deselect other stores that you don't want, you know. But this is all I can tell you. That's all for this. That's all. And I might also maybe implement, I don't know, like a TXT, or send it. Maybe you might save like a TXT of this to your phone, where you can read it in your, what's this, notepad or something on your phone, where you can open it up, or maybe send it as a message or an email or whatever. Maybe I might try to implement some things like that. Yeah, so that's about it.